What's up, YouTube? Now let's take a look at dmvpn phase 2. Just to take a look at phase 1, the problem with it is that all the traffic was always routed through the hub. So in our scenario, if Dublin and Brussels needed to talk to each directly, well, there was no direct spoke-to-spoke communication. All the traffic would be routed through the hub and then would go to the branch. Okay. Now phase 2 allow us to have direct spoke-to-spoke communication, and let's just see how this looks like. So let's start with New York. And I configure tunnel IP address 10.151. Then tunnel source is 0, and tunnel on GRE multipoint. Now NHRP network 1, NHRP network map multicast dynamic, and let's just use ERJP. ERJP 1 network and 1.5, and I'm going to advertise my interface, my LAN interface as well. And to prevent split horizon rule, I'm just going to disable it. No IP split. ERJP 1. Okay, and that should do it. Copy. New York, done. And now London. Let's do some minor changes. So the tunnel itself is the same, and here instead of using setting destination to be the hub, actually we're going to allow multiple tunnels, GRE multipoint, just like in the hub. NHRP is going to be the same, and I'm just going to use dynamic mapping. This is a more scalable solution. IP NHRP, NHS 10.151, IP NHRP map 10.151, 192.16.02. Multicast is multicast going to be 192.16.02, and I don't need that here. Enable the tunnel, and that should do it. London, done, and I should see the tunnel up and ERJP adjacency up as well. Let's see, and it's up. Okay, and everything's okay. Let's do the same for Brussels this time, and it's going to be 3, and I don't need to change anything there, except actually there is another option to configure the NHS, and this less lines. Okay, so this just is going to give the same result as the other one, so you can choose which how you want to configure, but at the end of the day it's just the same thing. And my tunnel IP here is for tunnel source mod GRE, and that's it. And that should be Brussels. Okay. And EHP, it's up. Okay. It's awesome. Now, let's look from 14. So 14 wants to reach 10, 1, with 2, 2. Which path is it going to take? So then first goes to hub. You can see here 10151, and then goes to London. We do it again, it's going to London. So we want spot-to-spot communication. What we have to change? Look at our routing table. We see that to get to London, the next hop is the hub. So let's change that. Hub, let's say no EHIP, no next hop, no IP next hop self EHIP 1. That's going to resync the tunnel. And if we look again, routing table, now it's pointing towards London, which means that now we should have direct communication with London. We see that we get to 10141 our gateway, and then we are being sent directly to London. Okay. So, and the same should be true from 13 if we try to reach to 10142. Okay. So that's how we achieve spoke-to-spoke communication using phase 2. For EHIP, we have to use this trick. Okay, no IP next hop self EHIP. If we were to use OSPF, we could use OSPF broadcast network. Okay, network broadcast. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.